trees, large limbs, and power lines all across the county. Let's get back to meteorologist Daniel Moss, keeping a very close eye on more rain that could actually be headed our way.
Exactly. All that happened near Milledgeville this evening, Ron, and thankfully no one was injured in those storms. So as you can see from our satellite and radar, we are definitely not in the clear at all. In fact, we're continuing to monitor showers and thunderstorms as they move through Alabama. Here's a closer look here at home. We're starting to see more lightning start to really develop with these showers and thunderstorms right now, and honestly they are all below severe limits, so there's no severe thunderstorm warnings, but you can see how strong they are even right now at 11:13 p.m. Even when we take the lightning off, you can see several heavy downpours across North Georgia and even some really strong thunderstorms as well. They are all moving really northeast right now, so definitely a lot of heavy rain, but not all of us seeing rain. In fact, here in Metro Atlanta, we are mostly dry. We're just now starting to see some of this rain coming in from Alabama finally make it across the metro area. In fact, at the airport, we're finally starting to see a few raindrops there on the lens, but obviously a few raindrops won't be causing any delays at the world's busiest airport right now. You can see planes still taking off. Currently, it's 80 degrees outside. When you factor in the humidity, it feels like 85. Now, throughout the next few hours, we're going to continue to be battling these showers and thunderstorms. One thing to note, overnight tonight, you could be seeing another round of showers and thunderstorms, particularly there in northwest Georgia, even sagging as far as Floyd County, going all the way up to the North Georgia mountains, still seeing some heavy rain. The concerning thing about North Georgia is that flooding risk is going to be really in effect all night long because you've already gotten so much rain today. So we don't want to see what we call training. That's rain showers that develop over the same areas over and over again. That increases that flooding risk. I will say though, by Sunday morning at 6 and 7 o'clock, we start to dry out. And even as we head into the lunchtime hour, we look mostly dry for your Sunday. One thing you'll notice about tomorrow is that our high temperatures will be slightly cooler. We'll be into the 80s opposed to the 90s, and that's because of that cold front that's moving through. We're also going to be tracking less rain for your Sunday. There still is a chance for thunderstorms to develop, but we're not looking at widespread rain by any means. In fact, here is a look at our forecast track for tomorrow. Yes, we could be seeing some isolated showers, but not anything like what we were seeing today. And by tomorrow evening, it looks like we should be mostly dry. That dry weather will not be staying long because as we go into Monday, we have more almost tropical moisture likewise heading into your Monday evening with another chance for showers and thunderstorms. And it does look like as we go throughout this week, every single day, every afternoon, we have a chance for some kind of moisture, whether that's light rain or a few heavy downpours. Just make sure that you have your rain gear with you. We're not looking at a complete washout. You can still get some of those afternoon and evening plans done, but you definitely want to make sure that you have your rain gear as you head throughout this next 7-day stretch. We are looking at a very wet and unsettled 7 days. We're not looking at any flooding concerns just yet, but it's something we'll keep our eye on. Even our precipitation outlook shows in the next 6 to 10 days, we could be seeing some increased rain chances as well. In fact, maybe collecting another 1 to 2 inches. So that's a lot on top of the rain we've already had. So that's why I said that flooding risk still top of mind and concern. Here's a 7-day forecast for you. Temperature is going to be a little bit cooler this week. We'll be back into the 90s as we head into your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just make sure you have your rain gear with you because we have a few afternoons and evenings where we'll be awaiting some heavy downpours.